Hello everyone. Made a trip to a train show this weekend and picked up a few locomotives. This is an early Athearn Blue Box DD40, and as you can see it's painted for the Baltimore and Ohio. This is a dual motor version and someone has started painting up the handrails. It's missing the horn and the couplers, but it doesn't run too bad. I initially took it apart just to do a cleaning and greasing, and I found that this locomotive was probably run under more than one Christmas tree because there was a couple different colors of tinsel wrapped around the axles. And it was kind of limiting its performance a little bit and was very noisy. But I'm not sure what I'll do with this locomotive. I may sell it, may paint it, may finish it up a little bit, but that's about it.